Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Why did I decide to put it up like this? Because I record the same video twice. So this is like the third time because I just show my face and I just delete it. So today I'm gonna be I think it's a bit low, so I put it higher. I got a tissue box here. Don't know why. Going up like this. Special thing. That. Okay, I think the tissue work. Okay, instead, I don't have like a full box. Wait, here and here. I can stack everything up. And I can put this back. Oh my god. I have a baby before the video start. No. Are you? Hopefully my phone won't draw. Okay, I think I got an angle. So now I'm gonna be solving a 3x3, another 3x3, then a pyramids again. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Hopefully my phone won't drop. Now let's scramble everything. Now I literally just zooming around. Go. Right there. Now I'm gonna do it because like it's so damn slow. I will fly over there. Pyramids and then for my phone. I'm gonna put these. Okay, I'm gonna have 3 Rubik. So now I'm returning this inspection. Maybe I don't drop my phone. We can connect this setting up now. I'm going inside here. My hair is so exciting. Oh my. You must know how to solve a 3x3 before you can solve this 4x4. And I watched my friend channel just like a few days ago the video. I have not watched, today I just watched it. And then like they spell Rubik with an X. N with an X, it's supposed to end with a K, like Rubik's. And the apostrophe S, so it's supposed to spell like this. R-U-B-I-K apostrophe S. And my friend just call this a triangle cube. A triangle cube. This is not a triangle, this is a pyramid. A pyramid. It's a pyramid, it's not a triangle. And a non-cube will call it a triangle cube. Oh my god. So before you start solve a 4x4, you must know how to solve a 3x3 before you solve a 4x4. So tough. If my friend is watching this, you must know all the names before you even solve it. First, when I buy a 3x3, where she is? My oldest 3x3 is where she is. If I can grab it. I don't have the timer, so hopefully I don't show my face just now. This is my first 3x3, and I even know this is called a 3x3. So now, okay, stop talking. Continue solving my cube. Just show my face. Okay. Okay. I was down here. Hopefully I don't show my face. I think I will watch it. Solve it. No, the 4x4. Let's go. I'm gonna take out my personal best is like 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So it may take a few minutes to solve this. So yeah. Well, so today I supposed to go to my friend's birthday party, but actually like there's a text box saying that I'm not gonna go because I'm lazy. I think they're gonna be angry at me because like what's it called? Well, Friday, the graduation day, I didn't go to school, and I think they're gonna be mad at me. So yeah. I think they are actually there, and I don't even freaking know what's the time now. Cause I don't have a watch. So I used to have a watch, but it's gone. Oh my. So I can insert it here. Okay. Wait. I can still insert this piece in here. Okay. Oh yeah, while you are waiting for me to finish solving this 4x4, guys, please hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so when I upload a video, you can have notification. And I think I'm gonna be making video every day. Because now it's holiday, and happy holiday to everyone. Time is not available at the moment. And so, and also hit that little bell. No, hit that like button. If this video will get 5 likes, I can post another video about when we solving all this Rubik cube. Even a 5 by 5 right down here. So yeah, I just finished solving Roblox 3 by 3 with this and a 4 by 4. I know how to solve a 5 by 5, but I have not even touched it for a very long time, so I think I forgot to solve. I've been busy solving a 3 by 3, pyramid and a 4 by 4, and I think I forgot to solve a 5 by 5. So maybe tomorrow maybe today I'm going to learn how to solve it again, the 5 by 5, and so yeah. Well guys, and thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for the video. Goodbye. I don't want to show my face.